Hello fellows, we are discussing some application of trigonometry. Today's section I am going to solve ninth problem. Look at the problem. The angle of elevation of the top of a building from the foot of the tower is 30 degree and the angle of elevation of the top of a tower from the foot of the building is 60 degree. If the tower is 50-meter high, find the height of the building. Let me draw figure. So look at the figure. AB is the building and CD is tower with the height 50-meter, and also they given that the angle of elevation of top of the building from a foot of the tower is a 30 degree. So here top of the building is a and the foot of the tower is a D. So angle of elevation is 30 degree. So this angle is 30 degree. And another one they given the angle of elevation top of the tower from the foot of the building is a 60 degree. Top of the tower is C and the foot of the building is a B. This angle is 60 degree. And here using height of the tower we want to find out height of the building. Is it clear? So write down solution. Let AB be the building and CD be the tower. So look at the figure. Here we have two right triangle. One is A B D and another one is C D B. So two right triangle is there. So here first I will consider triangle CDB. So write down here. In a right triangle CDB. So look at the figure. Here we have CD side. Using CD, here we want to find out BD. Is it clear? So when I consider 60 degree, that time CD become a opposite and a BD become a adjacent side. And these two ratio we got in a tan theta and a cot theta. So here I will use tan theta. So we have tan theta equal to opposite by adjacent. So now here tan 60 equal to opposite is CD divided by adjacent is BD. And here we know the value of tan 60, that is root 3 equal to CD they only given 50, this divided by BD. And now here, so BD comes in a LHS side, it become a multiplication. So BD equal to root 3 goes RHS side, it become a division. 50 divided by root 3. So it is our BD. So here we find out BD, that is 50 by root 3. And now I will consider a triangle ABD. ABD. So write down here. In a right triangle ADB. So here we have BD. Using this BD we want to find out AB. AB is the height of the building. So when we consider 30 degree, that time AB become a opposite and BD become a adjacent. And these two ratio we got in a tan theta and a cot theta. Here I will use tan theta. we have tan theta equal to opposite by adjacent. Tan 30 equal to 30 opposite is AB. AB divided by adjacent is BD. So now here, and we know that the value of tan 30, that is 1 by root 3 equal to AB don't know, keep as it is, and this divided by BD as it is. And now here BD comes in a LHS side, it become a multiplication. So AB equal to 1 divided by root 3 into BD, and this equal to 1 divided by root 3 as it is into BD value is CF 50 by root 3. And now make this multiplication. 50 divided by root 3 into root 3 is 3. So here AB equal to 16 integer 2 by 3. 50 by 3 we can write 16 integer 2 by 3. So it is height of the building. So write the conclusion here. Therefore the height of the building is 16 integer 2 by 3 meter. Is it clear? So well students, look at the next problem. Two poles of equal heights are standing opposite each other on either side of the road, which is 80 meter wide. From a point between them on the road, the angle of elevation of the top of the pole are 60 degree and 30 degree respectively. Find the height of the pole and the distance of the point from the poles. So let me draw the figure. So look at the figure. Here AB and CD, two equal poles which is standing opposite to each other, and here BD is the road which is 80 meter wide, and here point O between the road from where the angle of elevation are measured. So here this angle is a 60 degree and this angle is a 30 degree. So why I took this angle is a 60 means when the observer near to the object, that time angle of elevation is greater. So when the observer away from the object, the angle of elevation is decreases. When the observer towards the building, the angle of elevation is increases. So that's why I took this side is a 60 and this side is 30 degree. Is it clear? So here we want to find out height of the pole and this distance from the point from the pole. So write down the solution. Let AB and CD be the poles and O is the point from where the elevation angles are measured. So now look at the figure. Here the pole is vertical to the ground. So here we have two right triangle. One is ABO and another one is CDO. Right? These two right triangle. So first here I will consider a triangle AOB. So write down here, in a right triangle AOB, tan theta equal to opposite by adjacent. This implies tan 60 degree equal to opposite. So look at the figure. When we consider 60, that time opposite is a AB and a adjacent is OB. So write down here, AB divided by OB. And here we know the value of tan 60, that is root 3 equal to AB by OB. So this implies OB equal to AB by root 3. OB comes in a LHS side, it become a multiplication, and root 3 comes in a RHS side, it become a division. So here OB is equal to AB by root 3. So now I will consider a triangle CDO. So write down here, in a right triangle CDO, we have tan theta equal to opposite by adjacent. So here tan 30 equal to, so 30 opposite is CD, CD divided by adjacent, 30 adjacent is OD. So now here we know the value of tan 30, that is 1 by root 3 equal to CD by OD. We can write 80 minus OB, because BD is a 80. So 80 minus OB is a OD, right? So here we can write 80 minus OB. So now here, and here root 3 goes in RHS side, it become a multiplication, and 80 minus OB comes in a LHS side, it is also become a multiplication. So write down here, 1 into 80 minus OB is 80 minus OB. This equal to root 3 into CD is root 3 CD. And here 80 equal to root 3 CD. OB comes in a RHS side, it become a plus OB. So now this one we can write root 3 into CD plus OB, we can write AB by root 3. So see here, OB equal to AB by root 3. Call this equation 1, and this equal to 80 from equation 1. Is it clear? And now here root 3 CD as it is, plus instead of this AB we can write CD, because the two poles are equal in their height, they only given, that's why, and divided by root 3 as it is, this equal to 80. And now look at here, in these two terms CD is the common, so take down outside CD in a bracket root 3 plus 1 by root 3 equal to 80. Is it clear? And now here CD in a bracket, so here take root 3 as a LCM. So here root 3 into root 3, 3 plus 1 divided by root 3, so this equal to 80. And now here CD into 3 plus 1 is 4 by root 3 equal to 80. So now here CD equal to 80. So this comes in a RHS side. So that time multiplication become a division and division become a multiplication. So root 3 by 4. Is it clear? And now here 4 ones are 4 20s. So here CD equal to 20 root 3. So it is the CD. CD means height of the pole. So CD equal to AB. So now here from equation 1 PO equal to AB by root 3. So this equal to, this one we can write CD by root 3 because AB and CD are equal. So this equal to CD is 20 root 3 by root 3. So here root 3 get cancelled, we got 20. OB is the 20 here. And now, so look at the figure. Here we have PO, that is 20 meter. And here we want to find out DO. DO equal to BD minus BO. Here BD minus BO is DO, right? So this equal to BD is a 80 meter, they only given, and OB is 20 meter, just we find out that one. So 80 minus 20 is 60 meter. So this distance is 60 meter. Now write down the conclusion. Therefore the height of the poles is 20 root 3 meter and the point is 20 meter and 60 meter far from these poles. Is it clear?